I'm here having lunch. There's some random like class going on. I don't really get it. Up to the footage I had before. Yeah, it's really random because it's in the middle of the shopping centre. Yeah. But they've been doing it since halfway we're having dinner, so I think it's a proper class. Yeah, so okay, gonna have dessert now. I'm here to collect your hearts. It's the only reason that I sing. I don't believe a word you say, but I can't stop listening. This is a story of how they met. Picture was on. Guys, shopping with my auntie. We're just gonna have some Japanese ramen thing. It looks pretty nice. And all the boys are smoking menthols, girls are giving back rubs. I'm here at Buggies. It's super busy. So many people. Hopefully I can find like a bag or something, or just like do some window shopping. So yeah, gonna look around, stop filming because everyone's looking at me. So yeah. We're in the Jurong Bird Park. We're gonna look at some birds. Yay! Jurong Bird Park. Yay! It's a bit rainy, so hopefully it doesn't continue raining because it was raining before, but now it's not raining, so hopefully it doesn't start raining again. So I'm here with people. Yay! Gotta go! We have discount because National Day was yesterday. So yeah. Ooh, someone's having a birthday party here. Cinnamon, so sweet. Little girls double dutch on the concrete. Maybe sometimes we've got it wrong, but it's alright. The more things seem to change, the more they stay the same. Oh, don't you hesitate. Girl, put your records on. Tell me your favorite song. You go ahead, let your hair down. Sapphire and faded jeans. I hope you get your dreams. Just go ahead, let your hair down. You're gonna find yourself somewhere, somehow. As the sky, sunburned and lonely, sipping tea in the bar by the roadside. Just relax, just relax. Don't you let those other boys fool you. Gotta love that afro hairdo. Maybe sometimes we feel afraid, but it's alright. You think it's strange, girl, put your records on. Tell me your favorite song. You go ahead, let your hair down. Sapphire and faded jeans. I hope you get your dreams. Just go ahead, let your hair down. You're gonna find yourself somewhere, let your hair down. Home with your hair down. Sapphire faded jeans. I hope you get your dreams. Just go ahead, let your hair down. You're gonna find yourself somewhere, somehow. Sunday morning, rain is falling. Still some colors share some skin. Clouds are shrouding us in moments unforgettable. You twist to fit the mold that I am in. But things just get so crazy, living life gets hard to do. And I'd gladly hit the road, get off and go if I knew that someday it would lead me back to you. That someday it would lead me back to you. And baby, all I need, darkness is all I see. Come and rest your bones with me, driving slow on Sunday morning. I never want to leave. Fingers trace your every outline, paint a picture with my hands. Back and forth we sway like branches in the storm, changing weather, still together when it ends. Baby, all I need, darkness is all.
So we're here in this enclosure, it's called L'Orient, so it's pretty much open air. It's got like a bit of limit, so you get see the birds and feed them.
Just gets so crazy, living life gets hard to do. And I'd gladly hit the road, get off and go if I knew that someday it would lead me back to you. That someday it would lead me back to you.
We're gonna walk around.
I need, darkness is all I see. Come and rest your bones with me, driving slow on Sunday morning. I never want to leave.
Okay, so I was in Bugis the other day, and now I'm in like the older part
Do you
of
not
Bugis.
realize that there are a lot of zippers that are the YKK zipper brand?
I don't know. So it's like a bit of the old style. You've got the traditional buildings and everything. So we're just walking to the MRT station. Yeah, so had a nice dinner. I'm really full. So yeah, I have loads of mosquito bites. I'll show you guys later. They're everywhere. Finally recovered. I think it's like been a week, and they were proper swollen. I think I'm allergic to mosquito bites because this happened before and it's scarred, and now I have 12 scars on my body from those bites. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Lots of slow motion flying. Yeah. I've been a bit busy this week, so I'm not sure how good the editing is because I was doing it in Malaysia because I went with my family. My family's here. Video about that next week, so stay tuned. Anyways, as always, if you hit all the links above, I'm not sure if I'll be able to fit it all in, but I'll figure something out. We are actually in week 10. No, we're in week 9. Oh, getting ahead of myself here. Week 9. So subscribe, continue journey along. Week 10 out of 52 weeks. Hope you can continue just following and walking with me. And again, thanks for watching, and I will see you next week. Bye! Yay! Lots of slow motion flying.